Okay guys, so hopefully you watched the first video I put in this section. This one we're going to do the same thing except backwards. Check this out. This time they gave us the power, and now we're going to rewrite this as a log. You ready? Since this is a 13 power, we're going to say log base 13. And 13 is squared, right? So we know that the log base 13 of 169 is 2. And again, the way I check this is I do what I showed you in the other video. I go forwards, as I say. 13 to the 2 is 169. And it's just really good, guys. It's like learning a language, right? You're learning to read it backwards and forwards, these mathematical functions. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Notice the power is base 64. So I'm going to say the log base 64 of 8 is equal to 1/2. Again, we could test it out, because if I take the 64 base and I go to the 1/2 power, is that equal to 8? Yes, it is, because remember, 1/2 is a square root, and the square root of 64 is 8. All right, this one's scary because it's fractional, but hopefully you already did some rational or fractional powers. But anyways, the base is 9, so I'm going to say the log base 9 of 27 equals 3/2. Is that true? Well, if I take 9 to the 3/2 power, do I get 27? And the answer is yes, because remember, that 1/2 means square root of 9, which is 3, and the 3 power means I cube it, which is 27. All right, let's do the next one. Notice the base of the power is 9, so log base 9 of 1/81 equals -2. Again, does that make sense? If I do 9 to the -2 power, do I get 1/81? I get 1/9 squared, right? Which is 1/81. All right, notice the base is 4. So I'm going to do log base 4 of 1/64. That equals -3. Finally, notice this one has base 12. So log base 12 of 144 has to equal 2. And that's all there is to it, guys. You need to be able to do what I did. Matter of fact, let's just test these out since the video is so darn short. If I take base 4 to the -3, do I get 1/64? Again, what does this mean? This means 1/4 to the 3rd power, which is 1/64. Finally, if I have a 12 base to the 2 power, is that 144? Yes, 12 squared is 144. And like I was saying before, guys, that's all there is to these. You need to be good with this video and the first video I put in this section. Okay? Practice it. Get really good at it. See you around.